I purchased my first MacBook back in 2016, and since then I have not looked back. While I love the performance and stability of macOS systems, one of the things that attracted me to the Mac was the long battery life. With transition to Apple Silicon, the performance to battery ratio has become even better. Now I can plug off my Mac and get through the entire workday on a single charge. I can easily get 8 to 10 hours of battery life for my workload, but your mileage might vary depending upon your work routine. By default, your MacBook's battery in the menu bar only gives you a rough graphical representation of the remaining battery life. If you want, you can show the battery percentage in the menu bar by going to Apple menu and System Settings. Here, click on Control Center and scroll down to the battery section and enable the toggle for show battery percentage. But knowing the battery percentage is not the same as knowing the time remaining on battery. What if you forgot to charge your MacBook and the battery is only charged up to say 40 to 50%? How can you know how long your MacBook will last on battery? Well, you can find this using the Activity Monitor app. Press Command and Spacebar simultaneously to bring up Spotlight, type in Activity Monitor and hit Enter to launch the app. Once you have the Activity Monitor app open, click on the Energy tab at the top of the Activity Monitor window. Here, you can see your battery percentage and time remaining on the battery, along with how long your MacBook has already been running on the battery. But what if you feel that the estimated time is lower than it should be? You can check your MacBook's battery health and charge cycle to determine if the battery is in good condition or not. Click on the video link to learn how you can do it.